7, we have in Gauteng, we have anti-gang unit covering all the affected areas. This area, the captain with the team were already in operation. They patrol, they do stop and search, and we recovered several firearms, drugs, and made several arrests in the space. The other team is operating in El Dorado Park. The other team is operating in Moffat View. The other team is operating in Rivali. That's 24/7 to ensure that we prevent. But you see these things of these young boys who fight for territory or fight because you belong to another gang. It's a great concern, which I think as community we need to assist each other, starting with their own parents. Because if you leave a 13-year-old to be part of a gang, what do you expect out of that person when he grows up? It's already contaminated mentally, um, and that's not what the type of uh, life we want to see happening. That's not the type of adults we like to let them grow and be at this age.